Hey, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. This is Rum Runner Antiques. Hey, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. This is Rum Runner Antiques. It's in a Florida spot within Sarasota County, which is the town of Nokomis. It's an Indian name. You may want to stop by. So Sarasota, Florida, off of Pocono Trail. Rum Runner Antiques. A lot of these objects are fun, quirky, relatively cheap. A decent number of these things come from me, actually, because we can't sell everything on the internet with the cost of shipping being so high. And so we got an eclectic mix of Shoney and unique art, space shuttles, Piatins, Tonkas, Hot Wheels marks and such, cast iron pieces, a nice little Hubley over there. Die-cast, because die-cast is up and coming. 12-inch figures. And again, you know, it's not for elite collectors necessarily. We try to keep a few elite pieces, but it's for a lot of people getting introduced to the world of toys, collectibles, antique, otherwise. We'll keep some comics, nice Thor down there. And this is 2023 in November. Our inventory tends to turn over every 6 months. So you just never know. I mean, here's a nice Marks, there's a nice Dayton Duck, there's a horse-drawn Surrey, Optimus Prime sitting back there. Schuko Mercedes in the back. And we'll do a couple of quick stands. I mean, that's a repaint, but that's a original Hubley fire pumper. Tonka Dukes of Hazzard style toy. So cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Have a great day, okay? Be sure to check out our swag, our t-shirts, our website, and then there's an auction coming up for Mars, M-A-R-Z auctions, based in Florida. Take care.